Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a quick DIY for you, and so if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I am glad that you're watching this video because hopefully you'll like it and decide to become a subscriber. What I'm going to do for you today is how do I say this? It's a fixture. It's a light fixture. I've done a few DIYs with them before. You can haul them at Home Depot, Lowe's. I actually hauled this from a yard sale, which they had a box of them that they were selling for $2. So I think there was, I want to say, it was 8 of them, or 8 or 9 of them in a box. So I got this, and I have a little cocktail glass. So I decided, because I am doing the theme for my home, which hopefully I'll finish with all the DIYs and share with you guys my beach theme of different decors that I've done. I am doing a blue, teal, and gold. And I already went and spray painted the tip of the glass and, well, the bottom of the glass and the bottom of the light fixture. Then I'm going to spray paint it now navy blue, and I wanted to not have so much steps to go through, so I went ahead, spray painted the teal. Now I will spray painted blue with you guys, and let me share, because most time people want to know what the color is. It's a navy blue, and I guess whatever paint I got this from Walmart, so whatever color you want to go with, it's up to your project scheme, color scheme that you want to use. I am using the navy blue and the teal. So what you'll need for this project is a light fixture, whatever light fixture of your choice you decide. Have a wine glass. Well, it's not really a wine glass, it's a cocktail glass. Let me change that. It's a cocktail glass. And you will need glue sticks, glue gun, diamond wrap, of course. We're going to use diamond wrap. And your spray paint. I'm not quite sure yet if you will need gems. As we go along, we'll decide if we want to add gems to it. And you will need your scissors. So what I did after I spray painted, I went ahead and wrapped the top with paper towels so that I'm able to spray paint without messing up the teal. I'm going to go ahead, spray paint, come back, and we can start to decorate. Okay guys, so I went ahead, spray painted both, and this is the navy blue. This is how it turned out. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my diamond wrap, and I'm not quite sure if it's fully dry, but let's see what happens. I'm leaving it flat because I want to use the table as a guide for me. Okay, so I laid my glue down, and I'm just turning my diamond wrap onto the glue, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, and also do the cocktail glass, and I'll be back. So guys, I did go ahead, finish the diamond wrap around both, and then I added some stones and wanted to finish it up with you. Basically, I'm taking the Walmart gems and adding them to the light fixture just to add some interest. And I don't know if you guys remember, but these already have the adhesive on them, so that makes it really nice. But if they're not sticking very well, you can always still use your glue. So just go ahead, separate them, and place them in whatever design you want. I just randomly came up with this design. You can create whatever it is you want. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up all of them, and basically, as you can see, I'm just creating a 5, just creating that domino looking design. Okay, so I'm going to do that, come back and show you how it looks, and then we can assemble them together. Okay guys, so now I have finished adding all my gems, and I want to go ahead and glue my light fixture on top of my cocktail glass. So I'm putting down a generous amount of glue. Going to slowly try light fixture to sit onto the glass. I don't think it's holding very well. I am going to pause and add some glue on the inside, and I'll be right back. Okay, I didn't want to have my arm in the way, but I did put a generous amount of glue on the inside of the light fixture. So I need to stop calling it light fixture now, because now it is my bowl. I'm going to have this bowl on my table. I'm just going to let that dry because I did add a lot to be able to make sure it's secure and not move. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it, transfer it over to the table where I'm going to have it, where I'm going to keep it, and you guys can take a look at it. Guys, I must tell you, it is absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that the teal matches the bottom, and you can really tell that they are attached. No one would know that is a light fixture and a cocktail glass. Very nice. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. I hope that you will share this video with your family and friends. And matter of fact, all the videos that you like, I hope you will share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for your participation. Leave me a message. Let me know what your thoughts are. If this would be something you'd recreate for your home, I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your participation. Thank you. I will see you later on today. I will have another DIY.